Hi, and welcome to the second part of our tutorial for the guidance on the notification and registration of new cosmetics ingredients in China. This part is about the notification data. Let's dive into it. Well, as you can see from here that 45 new ingredients were notified since 2021, while the figure is only 14 new ingredients were notified before this date. So this drastic increase kind of indicates that the government is encouraging notification of new ingredients for cosmetics. And on the other hand, it also showed that the enterprises are shifting their focus to the innovation, which might give them a cutting edge in the market. While this table shows you the countries of the notifiers, as you can see from here, companies from China have a lion's share. But one thing that worth noting is approximately half of them are the subsidiary of overseas companies. Well, actually, this is kind of a sign that shows the market is quite promising for the overseas companies. While this table shows you the functions of notified new cosmetic ingredients and the NCI for short. Well, as you can see from the table, that antioxidant, skin protecting, and humectant are the most popular functions claimed by the new ingredients. And I think another information that might be helpful to you is that all these functions are not high risk. So we can see that no high risk ingredients are notified under the new regulation. While you might feel a little bit confused about what are considered as high risk ingredients and what are considered as ingredients of no high risk, I will unpack this for you in my next video. Please feel free to leave comments and questions below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.